Hello family, Sir here. In this video, we are going to go on a property tour. We're going to tour the Riverton floor plan made by Pulte Homes. Now this home is located in the Olmsted community, but it's a Pulte home. And Pulte has tons of communities around the greater Charlotte area. And if you like this floor plan, we can check and see if they offer it in a community other than Olmsted. If you're new to the channel, welcome. On this channel, we talk about money, real estate, and talk about certain areas of the Carolinas, as well as give property home tours. If you like any one of those things, or if any of those interest you, go ahead and join the family by hitting that subscribe button so you can be alerted for when we drop new videos. Now this Riverton floor plan, it can be designed anywhere as a 4-bedroom up to a 6-bedroom. And in this community, it started off in the $400,000 range. Now, if you had a basement, which this model has a basement, you can expect to include an additional $80,000 to $100,000, depending on the finishes for the basement. This home also has a 2-car garage and it's over 3,100 square feet. Come with me, let's go ahead and look at this property. Before we head inside, this is the Olmsted community, but you can get this floor plan in the Castleford Reserve community as well in the greater Charlotte area. So again, if you like this floor plan, reach out to me because they offer this floor plan in various communities. Now, as we go through the home, I will be pointing out what is standard and then what is an add-on. And I'm doing so you don't have any sticker shock. I know oftentimes when you see the purchase price or starting price for a home, you feel comfortable, you feel excited, like, oh, I can afford that, that's in my budget. But then when you go behind the scenes and see what everything costs, you're like, man, I can't really afford that, or it's pushing my budget to the limit. So I want you just aware of what things cost and what you can expect with each builder. Now, when you come in here, the light fixtures, those are an upgrade. That is an additional expense. That's not the standard lighting. Now you do get the recessed lighting in the ceiling, but I'm talking about the pendant lighting and lighting over the dining room table. You have this butler pantry. That area with the wine fridge, that is an upgrade. As well as the designs on the wall, those finishes, that does not come standard. Now, I really like Pulte as a builder. They do produce a quality product. Even with their standard basic packages, they still look very good, and the finishes and quality is top notch. Now, you saw the built-in ovens. That is a deluxe kitchen package and will cost extra in the design center. One thing I like about Pulte is that little cubby, that little workspace. Most of their floor plans come with that, some kind of office area. I think it's very functional and just a good use of space. This downstairs area is perfect for entertaining. It's open, free flowing. You have the living room, dining area, and the kitchen all right there. Let's head on upstairs. At the top of the stairs, you have a loft area. Then you have a guest suite with its own private bathroom. Again, this floor plan standard is over 3,100 square feet. You can have anywhere from 4 to 6 bedrooms in this floor plan. This is bedroom number 2, good size. You have a walk-in closet. Bedroom number 3. Good size walk-in closet as well. Nice size laundry room with the cabinets. Now the cabinets are extra. That is an addition. Look at that owner suite with the tray ceilings. And a very large, long walk-in closet. Now let's head to the ensuite. Beautiful tile floors, dual vanity. You have the shower area with dual shower heads. We aren't finished. We still have one more floor to go. Again, this home has a basement. Let's go check it out right now. Let me know your thoughts of the home so far. If you're liking it, if this would be enough space for you and your family. You have this large family game room. As well as a patio. Now you can choose to have this patio extended. Again, you have options. You can choose to finish off this basement to have 2 bedrooms down here. Here, they just want to show you what you can do. This room is half finished, but this would be a very large bedroom once they finish it off, or if you choose to finish it off. At the very least, you have tons of storage. And you have a full bathroom down here. Let me know your thoughts. Again, this is the Riverton floor plan, and it is a Pulte home. Can be found in various communities. The one we toured just now is the Olmsted community in Huntersville, but the Castleford Reserve community in the greater Charlotte area has this floor plan as well. And Pulte always has something up their sleeve regarding new communities. So if you like this floor plan, if you like the design, please reach out to me. I would love to be your buyer's agent and just help you and advise you and assist you throughout this process. Remember, if you're buying a new home, my services are free for you. You do not have to pay me. The number is on the screen. I'm Sir Ashley. Talk soon.